It looks like I've just been to one of those really fancy cupcake stores and brought home a bunch of cupcakes. However, this is not a cupcake. Well, it is a cupcake, but it's a plush cake. A plushie cupcake made by the wonderful Moriah Elizabeth. This is one of her newest plushie lines. As you can see, we've got a bunch of her adorable characters as cupcakes. There are 6 different styles to collect, and I'm going to be unboxing 6 boxes with you today. Now, there is 1 plush in each box, so they're quite big plushies. But before we get into these, I have to say a huge thank you to the people over at Banda Toys. They sent me these 6 cupcakes as well as these. This is Mystery Hanger Plush Series 2. This is also very exciting. I can't wait to get to this, but cupcakes first. If you want to get some cupcakes, they are out now at Target and Mr. Toys Toyworld. Shall we find out what the plushies actually look like? Not yet. One more thing. We have to appreciate the 6 designs first. So we have Strawberry. Oh my gosh, the Strawberry Bear. She was meant to be a cupcake. She looks so good. Then we have Pickle as a cupcake. He is looking beautiful in cupcake form. We also have Mr. Hot Cocoa. I think that's one of my favorite cupcake designs. How gorgeous is that? Another one that just looks like it was meant to be a cupcake. Having said that, was the original Mr. Hot Cocoa a cupcake? I'm a fake fan. I can't even remember. She has a lot of characters, okay? Have you seen her guidebooks? There's hundreds of them. Anyway, then we've got Wee Wee the little penguin. Oh, he looks so cute. Someone should give that to Pesto the penguin for his birthday. Then we've got Naked Christopher. Maybe Naked Christopher's my favorite. He's just like a little purple blob poking out from the top. Oh my gosh. Derp is the final cupcake. He's looking adorable. He's surrounded by a donut, got chocolate topping. Oh my gosh, these are all beautiful. Now, I'm really hoping that with 6 boxes, I could complete the set and get 6 different cupcakes. However, as we know with mystery boxes, there are no guarantee, and I could end up with 6 of the exact same cupcake. That's probably an unlikely scenario, but unfortunately getting 6 different ones is also an unlikely scenario. So let's have a look at who we want the most. All of them. I want all of them. Shall we actually open them? Our first cupcake is... Who is it? I cannot tell. Oh, it's Mr. Hot Cocoa! Oh my goodness. I can't even express how beautiful this is. It is so soft. Oh, it is beautiful fabric. It is just the cutest. These would make the best birthday presents. If you know anyone with a birthday coming up, get them one of these. He's just a little chocolate bear with the cutest little eyes. He's got some darker chocolate in his ear. His little paws hanging over the edge of the cupcake wrapper. That is beautiful. And then he's got, I think, some kind of like marshmallow icing. Maybe there's like a blob of icing with 2 marshmallows on. And of course we gotta get some sprinkles in for Moriah. Red sprinkles to match his red cupcake wrapper. And the wrapper is like corduroy fabric, but the stripes are quite thick. What a beautiful little creature. I love you, Mr. Hot Cocoa. Perfect spot for him. Let's see what I've got inside mystery cupcake number 2. It is, I'll show you first. Somebody different, definitely. Oh my goodness, it's Derp. He even has a little tail. So it's our usual blue derpy dino. He is covered in chocolate. He's got sprinkles on his spikes. And then look at his face. Look at this face. What do you see? He is eating his own chocolate donut. That is so cute. I don't know if it's healthy, but it looks adorable. So the sprinkles on the donut match the sprinkles on his spike. Then, like I pointed out earlier, he's got his little derpy tail. Now, he also has the same fabric for the cupcake wrapper, so it's that really smooth, nice corduroy fabric. He is just adorable. I love Derp's derpy face. Oh my gosh, I even have a welcome present for you. I can give Derp a derpy keychain for his spike. No. Now that is perfect. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about the plushies, I didn't even show you the guide. Okay, the guide does look very similar to the box I was showing you on the back. It just has little descriptions about each of them. So let's read out the descriptions of the two I've already bought. We've got Mr. Hot Cocoa, who's a snuggly friend ready to warm your heart. He really did warm my heart. He really did. Typically nestled in his favorite mug, our adventurous friend decided to switch things up and explore the cozy comforts of a cupcake instead. I knew he was inside something. It wasn't a cupcake, it was a mug. Then Derp, one of our favorite dinosaurs, is back, and not by accident he found himself inside a cupcake with a mountain of chocolate sprinkles. He couldn't be happier, basking in his delicious edible home. Okay, so I guess he's not eating himself, he's eating his house. So these two ticked off. Let's hope the other four are these four. Cupcake number 3. Who is it? Is it another one? A double already. You know what I'm gonna do to it? I'm gonna crack out the fabric paint, turn this purple. It's gonna look so cute. Now, box number 4 contains... Are you joking me? It's another Derp! I guess Derp is gonna be having a makeover too. Maybe I'll turn his chocolate into strawberry. Alright, last 2. Please don't be doubles. It's another Derp. What's number 6 gonna be? Alright, well, the makeover video is going to be a fun one for sure. Okay, this is going to be cute. This is a good thing. I'm going to have a whole set of bears. One's going to be pink, one's going to be purple. Well, that's how it goes with mystery boxes. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you get 3 of the same thing. That also means I'm going to have to go on a cupcake quest to see if I can find the other ones. That's for another day. Today, we have a whole other mystery product to look at. I have here Series 2 Mystery Hanger Plushies. These were also gifted to me by the wonderful people at Banter Toys. They are out in stores now. You can find them at Target, at Big W, and if you're in New Zealand, they're also at the warehouse. So look out for these because, like all Moriah plush, look how adorable they are. This is a series of beautiful dessert cats. We've got 6 different cats in 6 different gorgeous dessert designs. They look like they have the best expressions, and I've got 18 of these to open, so let's get right into it. This is such cute packaging. It's like a paint splatter. It's got pictures of 3 of the cats on the front, and then on the back we can see the whole set, all 6 of our lovely cats. Time to see the first cat. It is a white spotty cat. Oh my goodness. This looks like a Dalmatian as a cat. According to this guide, this is Nikki the cat, and she's a carefree cat. Oh, she's cookies and cream. That makes sense. It says, this ice cream cat never worries and can't relate to anyone with any problems. I wish that could be me. Oh my goodness, if you look at all the little spots, so many of them are in the shapes of hearts. How adorable. She has the cutest face with little eyelashes and rosy cheeks. Gorgeous cat smile. Then she's got chocolate topping on her head, a little vanilla blob here with a cherry on top. And then this is like the cherry stem. That is so clever. She of course has loads of sprinkles on her as well. And how cute are the little paws? That is just too precious. Plush number 2 is... Gosh, we are not doing well today. What if this whole box is just Nikki's? Okay, please be someone who's not Nikki. Thank goodness, there's someone pink. This little one is named Candy. Of course she's named Candy. That is the perfect name for her. She is, as her name would suggest, a cotton candy kitten. She's got lots of blue and pink blobs on her. Got a very cute pink embroidered nose. She's got the happiest eyes. I love them. She's got little dark pink in her ears, and then the very cute paws as well. Mystery plush number 4 is, oh yes! This is Oliver. Oh, he doesn't look happy. He reminds me so much of Shelley with that expression. His bio says he would sooner drop dead than crack a smile. He is also cotton candy, but obviously blue cotton candy. So this is our little cotton candy pair. I've already got half the set. I think I'm up to number 5. It is, another candy. The next one I've got is that another Nikki? Oh, Oh my goodness. Nickies are taking over the world. Next one is, please don't be a double. Another Oliver. I've lost track what I'm up to. 7 or 8 maybe. Another candy. Come on, be someone new. Oh, we have someone new. Yay! This is Jeremy. Oh, no, it's Jenny. Kind of looks like a Jeremy, just saying. If I get a double of this, I'm making my double into a cat named Jeremy. However, we are looking at Jenny. Jenny looks like a peppermint chocolate chip or mint chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip. She is a green color with a green clip. Lots of beautiful chocolate chips. I love her expression. She's got the sideways eyes and a little tongue poking out. So cheeky. She's got little pink in her ears, and also, like all the other cats, she has these adorable paws. So, we're actually going pretty well. The only ones I still need are Harold and Martin, and I have a lot still to open. 8. So, there are 8 to open, and I need 2 more cat designs. This one is, who is it? I can't see. Oh, it's another Oliver. This one is, please be someone new. Is it someone new? Yes! Oh my goodness! Sorry about that. He looks very shocked. That is the exact expression a cat would have when that just happened to them. What's your name? I already forgot. This is Martin. He is a chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry cat. 3-in-1. Glorious. He has a pink clip to match the strawberry part of him. Interesting. He has a little bit of strawberry in his ear and a strawberry nose. I'm guessing this cat's favorite flavor is strawberry. His little bio says, Martin doesn't say much at all, but he once told us that he's fine. So we're just going off that. He's fine. He's fine. So I currently have 5 out of 6 cats, and I still have 7 to open. Everybody manifest Harold in 7 clips. Come on, we've got to get him. And it is... This is actually Jeremy, as we accidentally called Jenny before. This cat will be having a makeover to fully turn him into Jeremy. Then next cat is... We did it! We completed the set! Look at this. Is anything more beautiful than a completed mystery set? Take notes. So glorious to have 6 different colored cats. Now, my only complaint about this set is there's not a purple cat. Where is the purple cat? It's okay. I'm gonna make the purple cat. I've got loads of doubles over there, and I'm not sure yet who, but one of them's gonna turn into a purple cat. Maybe multiple of them, since I have so many doubles. But, oh my gosh, we haven't even had a proper look at Harold. Harold's not looking particularly impressed with us, but I'm impressed. I think he's adorable. He is an ice cream cone cat. He's got this little cream keychain to match his waffle cone design. He's another one with a beautiful expression. We've got one eyebrow up, one eyebrow down. We're not too sure. He doesn't know where he really is. There seems to be a lot of chaos in this environment. He's not sure if he likes it here. I love the bios. They're so humorous because it's like, being a waffle cone, Harold holds a lot of responsibility, but he tries to be a good sport nonetheless. Well, we appreciate you, Harold. Thank you for completing our cat set. Not thank you for being doubles. It's okay. I'm actually thinking maybe I could make my whole own set of purple cats. Like, I could make all of these purple because they all have such priceless expressions. I would love to do that. Turn all of these purple. But I actually don't have doubles of everyone. So where did Jeremy go? I had a Jeremy. I'd already named him and he's already left. So, as you may be aware, we still have quite a few of these to open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these and I'm going to hope that I get another one of these and also another one of these so I can make a complete purple cat collection. Can I do it? Will the mystery box allow it? Brilliant! Oh, this is going so much better than the cupcakes. Only need a double of this one now. But I only have 3 left to open. So, praying for one with the 3 different flavors. Who is it? Oh, another waffle cone. Boo. Oh, no way! I just found another one on the floor. Okay, now we have 3 left. This one is... It's the one I needed! The one I just picked up off the floor! Oh my goodness, this is amazing! I have a whole set of doubles to make into purple cats. This is gonna be the best makeover video. I'm so excited. As for the final two, let's just open them to see what we get. Oh, it's another Jeremy. Thank you for being our stepping Jeremy. Our previous Jeremy ran away. He may come back, so you may have to be Jeremy too. Maybe Jeremy left because he didn't want to be purple. That's valid. Okay, you can be the purple one. And then the very last pack of the day. Who's it gonna be? Place your guesses. I reckon it will be Nikki since we got so much of her. And it is... Oh, it's actually another striped cat. Hang on a second. Did I get exactly 3 of each cat? Well, that is just beautiful, isn't it? That is a good mystery box. 3 of each cat. How perfect. Makes up for those cupcake doubles. Well, I really hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. I would highly, highly recommend all of these plushies. They're so cute. If you're looking for the cupcakes, you can go to Mr. Toys, Toyworld, or Target. And you can get these adorable little hanger plush from Big W, from Target, and from the warehouse in New Zealand. Thank you so much to Band of Toys for sending me all these plushies to unbox today. I'm so excited to get working on the Moriah makeover video. And in the meantime, I'm gonna have some more toy unboxing videos for you soon. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye!